equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a clean cloth, and a static-free workspace. First, power off your Dell laptop and unplug it. Remove the back panel using the screwdriver. Keep the screws in a safe place. Next, carefully disconnect the old hard drive. Take a moment to clean the internal area with a cloth. Dust can cause overheating. Now, inspect the connections visually for any damage. Once everything looks good, insert the new hard drive. Ensure it's securely connected. Replace the back panel and screw it back in place. Power on your laptop. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Plus, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. No calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair. This way, you know exactly what to expect. Enjoy your newly installed hard drive. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.